Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to add keywords to Google Ads. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to simply find your campaign. So to navigate to the All Campaigns view, you just click onto the campaigns tab on the gray left hand menu, so as you can see here in the photo, and you can also click the GNC on your keyboard and Google will automatically bring you to this view. And on the campaign dashboard, you should be able to see all campaigns in your account. Just scroll to find the campaign into which you want to add keywords. However, if you have a large number of campaigns in your account, it may be easier to search or to use the search feature to find the campaign you are looking for. And once you've found your campaign, just simply click on it and move on to the next step. And the next step is to click on to the keywords tab, or before that you actually need to navigate to the correct ad group. So clicking into the campaign should automatically bring you to the ad group view. However, it doesn't, simply click onto the ad groups tab on the left hand menu, and from there just select the ad group where you want to add keywords. And if you have multiple ad groups that need keywords, you'll need to repeat this and the following steps for each ad group, and since keywords can only be added at that level. Then after going to the ad groups, click onto the keywords tab. So it is this right here. So once you've clicked into the correct ad group, you should automatically be directed to search keywords screen. So if not, however, click onto the keywords tab on the gray left hand menu, and on the search keywords page, you will see a blue plus button in the upper left corner, and just simply click that button and you'll be ready to add your chosen keywords. Then next, you can now enter your keywords. So after you click the blue plus button, Google will provide a box for you to input your keywords. So this screen shown below, so shown right here, lets you enter one keyword per line and also refers a get keyword ideas feature. So even if you're already conducted keyword research, the get keyword ideas box can be helpful for validating the keywords you've already found and then be identifying new keywords you may have missed. So to see keywords related to your business, you can enter your website or briefly describe your product or service and click enter. So this will generate keyword ideas for you in the box right here. And then, for example, if you're creating a search campaign for plumbing services, so your keyword idea list may not look like the one pictured right here, and you can click on any of the suggested keywords. So as you can see right here, you can click on any of the suggested words and to add them to your list. Then lastly, what you can do is to set the keyword match type. So this is the final step in this process, so which is the setting the keyword match type. So these are the three match types in Google Ads, which are the broad match, phrase match, and then the exact match. So as you can see, broad match lets your ads show for the widest variety of search queries related to your keyword, and on the other hand, exact match lets your ad show only on search queries that are exactly same as on your keyword, or have the same meaning as your keyword. And then phrase match meets in the middle. For a phrase match keyword, your ads will not trigger for as wide as variety of searches. However, it is not as tight as exact match. So it is helpful to note that even after you've saved your keyword list, you can change the match type at any time. So simply navigate to the keywords tab in the relevant campaign and ad group, and then just adjust the match type under the match type column. And in other words, you should set your match types when you create your keywords list, but you can always change them down the road based on the performance. And so that's it for this video, and all you have to do after this is to save your keywords list by simply clicking the save. So, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.